In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce relative date filters. If you're working with reports in Salesforce, understanding how to utilize these filters can significantly streamline your workflow by allowing you to quickly and easily pull data relevant to specific timeframes. So let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First things first, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, head over to the app launcher. This is the grid-like icon located at the top left of your screen. Click on it and then select Reports from the list. If you happen to have the Reports tab directly available on your main menu, you can go ahead and click that instead. This will bring you directly into the Reports section where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to choose a specific report that you will be working with. Once you've found the report you're interested in, click on it to open it. You'll then see an option to edit the report, so go ahead and click Edit to start customizing your report. With the report now in edit mode, your next step is to navigate to the Filters section. You will see this option on the left-hand side. Click on Filters to start applying the conditions you need for your date range analysis. Now it's time to focus on choosing the appropriate date field for your filter. Common options you might think about using include fields like close date or any other date-specific field that pertains to your report's data. Click on the date field that's relevant to your report. After choosing a date field, look for the filter value option where you'll find a setting to Use Relative Date. This is a powerful tool that allows you to enter easy-to-understand relative date keywords. You can type keywords such as today, yesterday, last 30 days, next 90 days, or this year. Each of these keywords helps define the time frame the report will pull data from, making it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Once you've selected your preferred relative date keyword, it's time to put these filters to work. Simply apply the filter by saving your settings, then run the report. At this point, the report will regenerate, displaying data only within the specified time frame you selected via the relative date filter. This functionality not only saves time, but enhances accuracy in your reporting processes. And there you have it. You've now learned how to implement relative date filters in Salesforce. This feature makes your reporting task more efficient, offering insights that are specific to the periods that matter most to you and your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your Salesforce skills.